Okay, in our infotainment system, we're now going to talk about your AC. You have dual climate control. On this vehicle, you see the all with the green button and the fan. If you leave this on, this car knows when the doors open, shut, seatbelts click, and it will send air to the positions people are sitting in. Again, the door must open, shut, seatbelts must click. If you want, you can turn it off and run the vents yourself here in your car. I choose to leave it on. With your AC, if you turn it on and off here, you can turn it back on. You can turn the AC off so that you can get the heater going. On this side, you have hard buttons to change your temperature up or down. Over here on this side, the driver can sync so that everybody's temperature is the same. And then you have the auto, you have the max AC, there's one that recirculates the air, and then you have your fan speeds here. Remember, you have the talking lady in your car that can change the temperatures, change your fan speeds, and you don't have to get into this screen. And that is your AC.